Welcome to Preyo Promo. In this video, I'll show you how to create your X account quickly and professionally. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your device. Step 2. In the search bar, type x.com and press Enter. Step 3. When the homepage opens, click on Create Account. Step 4. Enter your full name, email address, and date of birth. Step 5. Go to your Gmail, copy the verification code, and paste it on X. Step 6. Now set a strong and secure password. Then click Sign Up. Your X account is now successfully created and ready to use. Thanks for watching this tutorial on Preyo Promo. If you found it helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy and professional tech guides. Stay tuned! And I'll see you in the next video.